An engineer turned R&D specialist and a first-generation entrepreneur, Dinesh Gupta has proven to the world that dreams can be realized with sheer hard work and spotting the right opportunity. He started out in 1990 with Digitronics, selling personal computers to an evolving pre-liberalization Indian market. Over the last 20 years, Digitronics has become Busy Infotech that specializes in ERP and other business software solutions for small and medium enterprises across the country.
Things had actually started taking off, and more and more people were actually looking to computerize their accounting and their basic day-to-day work, office work like correspondence, making Excel sheets. And in fact, Excel was not there at that time. It was Lotus sheet at that time. So small business had actually started getting benefits out of using computers. They had started appreciating the benefits, and more and more people had actually started looking at computerizing their office operations.
Busy Infotech decided to enter the product space instead of providing customized services. Available in a price range of 9,000 to 35,000 rupees depending on number of users, Busy caters to all accounting, inventory management, billing, statutory requirements and MIS needs of SMEs.
Busy is the brand name that we actually gave to our product, and Busy is primarily focused at meeting the day-to-day accounting requirements of small and medium businesses, their complete inventory management, billing, all their statutory requirements like excise, sales tax, VAT, TDS, FBT, service tax, everything is taken care of, plus the MIS requirements.
Empowering its clients is in fact at the core of Busy's philosophy. Though its revenues come from selling new licenses and offering upgrades to existing users, Busy also works with dedicated channel partners as well as telecallers. Welcome to Busy Infotech, who work together to keep the target customer posted on statutory requirements of business as and when policies undergo any change. This way, even an old customer can get a new upgraded version at a very marginal cost.
Anything else, sir? Thanks for calling Busy Infotech.
We have in-house domain experts who keep studying these things, the statutory requirements, the changes that are happening on day-to-day basis in the statutory requirements, and accordingly we keep on updating our product. Besides this, we have more than 200 channel partners all over the country. Those channel partners of us are also domain experts, and they keep providing us the feedbacks as regards to the requirements of the customer and also the statutory requirement in their particular area.
Busy Infotech has gradually become a family business, with Dinesh taking care of strategy at large and his three brothers heading different verticals. These verticals range from software development that has become Busy's core business for the future, as well as a hardware business that caters to B2B clients like the small and medium enterprises, as well as big corporations. And finally, a full-fledged retail business that contributes up to 80% of Busy's total revenues. Dinesh believes that a family that eats together stays together.
See, family is a great support, obviously. I couldn't have done it without the support of family. And when I started this, obviously I had this in my mind that I have got three brothers and together we can make it big. So at operational level, we work independently. But at strategy and planning level, we are all together. We discuss things. We meet at lunch every day, and wherein most of our decisions are taken.
With the advent of multi-brand retail outlets, booming online shopping portals, and products like laptops that require little after-sales service, the days of glory seem to be over for computer sellers. So although sales might rise, margins get squeezed. But Busy's retail business has managed to thrive despite competition by a simple strategic intervention.
Products which require service, especially in selling computers to businesses, those people require services like for example, setting up a network, connecting their various branches. So there the model is different. I mean, people buy products plus they also require services. So there is no issue, because there we add services as a value to the product. But in case of cash and carry, of course, I mean, the margins are shrinking and it is becoming more and more competitive. So actually these two segments are to be handled differently. These are two different kinds of businesses now.
The road ahead for Busy indeed seems busy with opportunities. The company has realized that needs of developing countries are similar in nature. So this leader of tomorrow is all set to take his Indian success beyond the shores to South Asia, Middle East and West Africa to continue to meet the needs of SMEs across the world.